How artists ya qumbu. Qumbu. Yo. Xa ungumntu, I think xa ungumntu ungongwakuqumbu. But ungaluhlala equmbu. Suthi uhlale. Ungangwaqumbu. Bro, it gave me a whole tape, bruh. GQ is Q-Town. Oh my god, which one I go? I'm gonna, oh my god. Bro, gave me a whole tape, bruh. 5 songs. Oh my god. Don't chill a little buff. What? Key. I always tell artists, like, if you're gonna have a name, try to go for something. Yes, it must be catchy, but simple. emkhighness. Who's gonna like search umndondalo? Like, andisearch igama, like kufuneka ndisole kanje, bra. Akufunekanga ndisole kanje. emkhighness. Hayi. If you're gonna like giving MK, I don't know. But in the is that if you're gonna have a name, find something simple, man. Something simple. Let's go. Yeah, it can be catchy. It can be catchy, as meaning to you, okay, cool. But try to make it simple, man. It's part of branding to me. In the way Linga be too crazy. Nasty C, aka. Come on, so struggle to search someone like that. Now see? Is it a joint? Why is it YouTube? Is it a joint? Is it a joint between two artists? If I fall off, this is about the trampoline, sometimes the pamper. If you don't get it, fall off. Nigga, are you up? It means that I'll be back, something like karma. Niggas claim it, they go, but cost us tears, so I ask this farmer. Man, it's easy how I do it. Son bulls, I'm mixing your rap, I just too far. Mixing your collar. I'm that guy, pull out a plow, man, nothing more. Gaga. No one can do it like I do it, man, I'm slick with it. You can play the cover. Man. Chat, Nemas another week. Man, that's not artist. That's another sound. Wow, this is actually that sound. Oh, and they forgot. Okay, who want to smoke? Da. I have rappers who do that. Yo, this is another thing. So some of Majita. I love how experimental you are. I love how you guys are so experimental these days. Rappers is called this new gen, but are very brave people, very experimental. Yeah, this new generation. I love them so much, bro. Like, they are not afraid to say, okay, this sound, nobody knows this type of sound. Okay, as you in the closer industry sound, but we're gonna do it anyway. Rappers were so skeptical back in the day. They wanted to sound like the next guy. Ningabeva ngobesithi, hayi akobhazi ngoku. Hayi intwana zangoku zenza nje. They were very scared to be themselves. Everybody wants us to everybody now is just tapped into whatever they want. They are doing their own sound, their own style. Back in the day, everybody wanted to sound like Pizzo. Everybody wanted to do. Everybody wanted to sound like that. Bruh, these cats these days, super experimental. They do whatever they want. Listen to this shit. I'm like, this is another weird type of joint. Come on now. What the fuck? My bro named Dilla, if you trying to snitch, I swear you gon' catch you a stitch.
I'm fucking your bitch, I'm doing it live. I know I ain't streaming on Twitch. I said she gon' feel every inch. I swear, no matter the fish. Like that long kwang is a clipper. Message me, then I'm a solo, none that clipper. Yeah, 6 feet under. The channel nga channel isn't feeling like I'm thunder. Fulani nas nien, she's Amanda. Rap the shell of 15, bring your life, velocity. Pop shit, I pop my shit. My lingo change it. To pass a leg, a bottom of flesh. My penis beat it. Try to go far in life. War leg, my pillow cheat it. I let it be so hard to do this shit until you team it. Because I got some goals to storm a baller, I can take it. Just pop your hands, shit on this.
Shara ekatike.
You fucking steam it. Just give my flowers, this phone out. You be my visa. No one can do it like I do it, man. I'm slick with it. You can raise that volume of my music if you fuck with it. Cause I believe that one day I'ma live up it. Long solos and keys are like your beat and I'm loving it. Been out of the green ever since I could breathe. My nigga just call me a bitch. My bro ain't dealer. If you try to snitch, that's where you gon' catch you a bitch. I'm fucking a bitch, I'm doing it live. I know I ain't streaming on Twitch. I said she gon' feel every inch. I swear, no matter the stitch.
I am telling you, bruh. The level of experimenting, I love it so much. We cannot fail, bruh. At this point, we cannot fail. This sounds. At some point, people will understand. But are you an artist who's willing to wait? Because not so many people are as open-minded when it comes to hip-hop like that, like I am. Yeah, I know almost every sound. I can listen literally to anything. Are you ready to wait? Are you patient enough? Yeah, because in order for people to understand what you are trying to do here, you need to tap in. Like, you need to come up with something super crazy in order for people to actually tap into this, because this shit is fire. We don't have someone who's doing this here, even on the commercial level. Like, even if like we can go to Josie Way, KZ, and we don't have someone who's tapped into that more another week type of sound. Yeah, I know you're drawing inspiration and then you don't sound American, but I think you don't sound American. You just draw inspiration and then Wenza this course, which is super solid. You did it nicely, super solid. Maybe this is a solid tape name. There's 5 songs because there's another nigga, but I'm not sure who's that. But since you are the guy who's actually wanting me to, and my main focus is that. I love it. But are you patient? Are you gonna wait for us to actually, you know what I'm saying? If you want us to tap into that, you need to dig deep, or you need to find a way to advertise that shit to us. I don't know. Figure it out, my guy. Figure it out. Shout out to you otherwise.